So hello guys, balik sa tag-discuss karon. So ato ang last nga i atong hisgutan karon mao ang control structures. So at studying this chapter, you should be able to discuss the three basic programming structures, distinguish linear structures from relational structures, distinguish relational structures from the loop structure, discuss relational operator, discuss nested relational structures, and explain in details the difference between controlled loop and infinite loop. So the three basic structures, we have linear, relational or selection, and then ang loop. To make the power of the flowchart really absolute, these three structures had to be stitched together as one. So, para ang atong flowchart is makuan siya, na siya proper or something makuan lang siya, dapat ang kaning tulo is mag-one. Diba dapat yung tulo? Kaning linear, relational, o ang loop. Although the linear structure can work alone, so ang linear daw structure kay katrabaho siya isa, a little while longer, the relational and loop structures are a little bit tied up and restricted. So for example, a relational structure may evaluate the expression assigned to it, but its flows had to branch back immediately to a linear construct to take the required target process regardless of the outcome of the test. Loop, on the other hand, is a lot inferior with the two others because it cannot branch out any point within the linear block without using the relational structures as springboard to jump backward or to hit forward. So when the loop branch outside of the relation construct the usual outcomes is infinite loop and the program during its execution normally hang up. So, mao ni ang atong unang istoryahan karon, ang linear structure. So, di ba ang linear structure daw kay trabaho siya sa isa. So, the linear structures is nothing more than a showing of the sequential execution of processing statements as logically described in the flowchart. So, linear construct sometimes contains processes that do not require evaluation or branching out of controls and therefore can stand independently without the others. Kung ano si linear, di ba na ako nga makatrabaho sa sira isa. So, muna siya nga, makakuan siya independently without the others. So, function ay makatrabaho siya or function siya. Sira isa. So, but this type of situation is not always so. So, dili ba siya permitting ang sira isa. There will be times when it has to seek support from the other two structures just to give meaning to the required processing. So, nagyan pa mga time na may nanglan yapon siya atong duha, which is ang relational ug ang loop kay para mas mahatagan nimo siya o just to give meaning to the required processing. So, para mas maupag yung process sa inyo ha. So, mo to siya ang linear structure. So, mo ni siya ang example sa linear structure. So, draw a flowchart to enter two numbers through the keyboard and then display their sum on the screen. Called algorithm. So, mo ang algorithm niya. Example. Let us take the steps to deal with it. So, step 1, define A as container for the first value, the ion B, ang second value, then S, ang sum or ang total sa first value o may second value, then found nimo ang value ni A o ni B. So, sa first o sa second. So, i-compute nimo ang ilang sum, adding the first A and the first value and then second value which is B, then display the sum of the screen. So, mo ni siya. Ano siya? Kita mo na to siya, no? So, mo ni start. Mo ng flowchart. So, mo ni example, linear structure. Step 1, si A is equal to 0 tayo. Itong per po nga value. Sunod ikaduha, sunod si S dayon kay 0 plus 0 equals 0. So, i-input ninyo mo si A ug si B. So, si S dayon. Ang katong S, di ba, kay si, si S is mo to siya ang container sa duha ka value. Siya ang sundan sa duha ka value. So, input niya si A ug si B. Display din nimo ang result ni S. Muna siya. Display S. Then, stop dayon ka. So, yung ano siya pag sa linear structure. Ito yung linear recursive steps. So, sa linear recursive steps is, kita nimo siya din di ba, ning, ano man ka, may first value A, B, tapos ang S, ang kato ang sum sa A ug ni B, 0. So, sa input ako nimo sa A ug si B, tapos si A plus B, display nimo si S. Si recursive na siya ay kanang sumpay. So, na siya repeated process pass mo na si gi-input ako nimo si A ug si B, tapos i-plus na po nimo si A ug si B, drop din nimo si S which is ang result kang A ug kang B, tapos stop dayon ka. So, the flow chart shows in figure 3.1, mo isa, ani, picture, is a linear construct designed to perform a single pass processing. But what if the same class of the processing need we have to be done twice? Will linear structure still be able to handle it? Well, it can be done still. Let us consider figure 3, which shows this possibility. So, mao din is siya si 3 og 2. Si 3 og 1, mao din niya siya. Oh, sorry na mali lang ko. Kana. So, mao ni si 3 og 2, pwede siya sumpayan. Pwede siya ibalik, i-repeat. Muna siya. Ang tawag niya is ang linear recursive steps. So, next, linear in relation to loop structures. Una na siya, si first complete processes pass. This previous example, as illustrated in figure 3.2, katong gagaina, shows how the recurrence of certain steps help achieve the second round of input processing before it ends. But if there were hundreds of similar input steps or processing to be made, it would be very impractical to keep on repeating similar steps in a linear structure. So, practical na kung magsige ka balik-balik. So, hence, the best way is to use a loop and then define the spot in which the jump will kick off to repeat the previous processing construct. Figure 3.2.3 illustrates how a loop can be used to jump a beginning of the steps. So, mao ni siya ang kuan, di ba? Kagaina kay muna ni ang flowchart dili taman sa display S. So, kagaina, di ba, ni-repeat man ko siya, yung gibalik si input A, si S, ug si display. So, karon pwede na nimo siya gamitan og arrow, padulong dito kang kabaw kang input A o B kay para dili na siya mas mutaas pa kay kung inaton pa nimo pares kagaina, taas kay process good, pwede ra ni siya aruhan niya. Kani, gitawag ni siya og linear in relation to loop structures. So, next, we have relational structure. So, unsa ang relational structure? So, mao ni siya, ang diamond symbol in flowcharting is used to indicate a conditional path. So, mo to siya ang kuan sa relational structures. A question which is in the form of logical comparison is placed inside the aforesaid shape for evaluation. The appropriate steps placed on either path, if any, are executed depending on the outcome of the test, which could lead to either true or false answer. So, mo ni siya ang example sa relational structure. So, as previously mentioned, the true value of comparison or expression can be determined through the use of 6 relations operation as shown in the 3 to 5. So, mo na siya, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, mo may mga operation nga gamiton nimo para ma-determine nimo kung relation, ay, mo na kung truth value ba sila. So, mo na siya ang equal sign, ang less than, ang greater than, ang not equal, o ang less than or equal, dayon greater than or equal. So, example, maraming example para mas masabtan. So, draw a flowchart to enter two numbers from the keyboard and then find the highest, assuming there is only one with the highest value and display it on the screen. So, mayang algorithm, let us take the steps to deal with this. So, muna yung mga steps, yung mga maagi algorithm. Una is i-define na to ang A as first value, B second, then i-add din mo ang A of B, get the value of A and B, tapos compare the input values of A and B. If A is the highest, then display it, and otherwise, B. Kung ang A daw ko ng highest, i-display. Kung B ang highest, display ko nimo. So, display the sum of the strings. Isa lang din na ang highest anak kay highest ganit. Ito siya ang highest kay. Siya ang pinaka-highest. So, muna siya ang example sa relational structure. So, start A, mo tong first na to nga value, second value, niya i-input na itong A of B, plus if A is, if A is less than B, if yes siya, i-display na to ang A. If no siya, i-display ang A, then stop na yun. So, muna siya ang relational structure sa flowchart. So, next, we have nested relational structure. A relational structure normally reflects simple evaluation process, and that is by comparing two values into a single decision box. So, compare nimo ang duha ka value sa isa ka single nga box. Muna, ang relational structure, mag-reflects ang relational structure, i-compare nimo ang isa ka, ay ang duha ka value sa sulod sa isa ka box. So, but as algorithm requires complicated evaluative process, there must be also have a measure to ensure flexibility of relational structure, as there can be no more than two items that may be compared in a single decision box. The need to redraw another shape of its kind of or another pair of tests is really important. Eventually, several decision symbols will appear along with the rest containing related tests with related path in the flowchart. So this occurrence of a decision symbol within the path of another decision construct constitutes nested relational structures. So, mo tawag na nested relational structures. So, muna siya ang example sa another example siya sa relational structure. So, draw a flowchart. Draw a flowchart to enter two numbers from the keyboard and then find the highest value and display it on the screen. Note, example 2, we had made an assumption that there could only be 1 and 3 with the highest value. So, isa the highest value. When this time, we shall abandon that assumption, and since we are no longer sure that value might be entered during data entry, we shall adopt the following logical possibilities. So, mo siya, that the first value is greater than the second value, then that the first value is less than the second value, or the first value is equal to the second value. So, mo siyang mga algorithms, define na to ang A, pinakauna, first value, B, second value, then get na to ang value sa A ug sa B, then i-compare na to ang A ug B, iba nang itatak ng sa to ang highest. Then, if A is the highest, then display it A. Otherwise, compare again the value of A and B. If B is the highest, then display it B. Otherwise, bypass any display. So, muna na siya ang example sa nested as a nested solution. Let us consider the flowchart as shown in figure 3.6, which illustrates nested relation. So, di ba mo na ni start diri ra mo to kagaina katong relation. So, ano po ta mag-display na po ta, di ba kung si A kuno ang highest, nag-yes man ka, kung ano mo siya, kung si A ang highest mo na dira then kung si B, tapos display nimo si B. Dayon pagkahuman mo na dayon, so mo na siya ang nested relational structure. So, last is the three, ang katulad na to nga basic structures is ang loop structures. So, most programs would keep on going series of instructions over and over until a certain condition occurs. So, by the way, si kanina si loop is mo din siya ang mobalik lang siya. So, para bitaw dili na mo taas ang process. Maggamit ka lang ka og arrow tas balik ka dito nya balik ka gyapon arrow-arrow lang gihapon siya. So mao na siya ang loop structures. Kung pagpipilitan sa inyo kagaina, so mao na to siya. So loop structures, most program would keep on going series of instructions over and over until a certain condition occur. So mo to si loop diba, dili siya mo hanggang sige po siya araw-araw gyud po siya mag-connect siya og araw balik sa babaw nya hangtod sa dili makuha nimo ang answer mo continue gyud po na siya og sa palito sa babaw. So, this action of programming a repetitive task is known as a loop. O, sa mga to ang loop. So, a loop construct must have control, and that is to terminate at a certain point when a certain condition is met. Obviously, the loop and the relational structures must rather complement each other as the later will serve as determining factor whether to jump to the beginning or to the end of the processing range before passing its flow to the next steps, either in linear or selection construct. So, muna siya ang loop structure. Diba? Start, statement 1, statement 2. If kaniyang test is yes, if false siya, largo na kay ang ilang problem diri is the loop structure must run is the figure state an instance when a certain steps are repeated subject ay kabali so kay ang atong kuan ani is maon pa nato kintay ang state maon na isolve na to ang problem ani so diri si loop if pag gid nato nakuha ang kuan answer balik siya diri sa start statement 1 statement 2 nya test na pod if di ko gyapon ka ka dito nya ana gyapon siya pa-until nga makuha nimo ang imong gikuan nga ang imong kaya until ma-solve nimo ang imong problem. So, ano siya. So, sa infinite loop, when the execution of steps is repeatedly down without let up and without definite ending point, to illustrate this kind, ay, kay sa infinite is, wala lang siya, dili lang siya mabalik sa pinakatuktok. Dili lang siya, oh. So, you can see, naroon siya dili sa babaw sa input A ug B. Unlike ni kuan, loop structure model is mobalik siya sa pinaka-start. Tas dinhi siya, dili lang siya kutod. Dayon si controlled loop, sa makita nato kang controlled loop. To avoid occurrences of infinite loop in the flow chart, the loop must be guarded with at least one definite exit point. So, as previously emphasized, the loop must be paired with relational structure. The relational construct must allow jump of control to the beginning line of the previous steps only at a condition that is known as controlled loop. So, more than is the controlled loop. Let us define the flowchart in figure 3 and 8. Muna siya. Kaniyang picture diri into a figure 3 to 9 which flowchart is equipped with the definite measures of the loop set known as osmotic controlled loop. Gamiton siya para ano siya diri must be guarded with at least one definite kuan man gud si infinite loop in the flowchart. The loop must be guarded with at least one definite exit point as previously emphasized. The loop must be paired with the relational recipe. So mo to ang part sa ato ang structures, ang loop, ang relational o ang loop relational o isa loop relational o ang last time ay ang pinakauna is linear. Ito, di ba na ito? Ang three basic structures, ang linear, ang relational o loop. So, mura to. Dagan sila sa pagpaminaw.